Hi, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, I shall teach you what is Cloud Computing Platform as a Service, PaaS. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Introduction. There are number of methods to approach cloud computing. It depends on what business problem we are trying to solve. Organizations are frequently looking to infrastructure as a service when they are looking for capacity on demand. Though, when an organization is seeking for a deeper set of capabilities, they regard a platform as a service. A platform based service is a group of cloud computing services. It lets consumers deliver, instantiate, run, and manage a modular bundle, including a computing platform. This also contains one or more applications, deprived of the difficulty of building and maintaining the infrastructure. That substructure is normally linked with developing and launching the applications, and also to permit developers to create, develop, and package such software bundles. Platform as a service is a cloud computing model. In this model, a third-party provider provides hardware and software tools to users over the net. Typically, these tools are desirable for application development. A platform as a service supplier hosts the hardware and software on its own infrastructure. Consequently, PaaS releases developers from having to install in-house hardware and software to develop or run a new application. Worth noting definition. Platform as a service is the capacity to offer a computing environment and the related development and deployment stack desirable to deliver a solution to the consuming consumer. How does platform as a service work? Platform as a service does not substitute a company's entire IT infrastructure for software development as described above. It is delivered over a cloud computing provider's hosted infrastructure. Consumers and users most often access the offerings through a web browser. Platform as a service may be brought through public, private, and hybrid clouds to provide services, for example, application hosting and Java development. Extra platform as a service services comprise development team cooperation, application strategy and development, application analysis and deployment, web service combination, information security, database integration. PaaS has to control the internet. PaaS must deal with some type of development language. These environments required a mode to monitor and measure resource use. Also to inspect the overall performance of the vendor's platform. Nearly all PaaS platforms are founded on a multi-tenancy architecture. A PaaS setting wants to care about the development lifecycle and the team development process with testing. A PaaS platform requires containing services lines. A PaaS platform must be capable to deploy, manage, test, and keeping the developed applications. A PaaS platform must care for well-defined and well-documented interfaces. Customers would usually have to pay for PaaS on a per-use basis, though certain providers change a flat monthly fee for access to the platform and its applications. Now, I shall describe some advantages and disadvantages of PaaS. The advantages of PaaS are mainly that it permits for high level programming by intensely cheap complexity. The total development of the application may be more real. This may be by way it has built-in infrastructure resources, maintenance and improvement of the application are thus easier. Disadvantages of many PaaS suppliers are, as quoted by their users, comprise increased pricing at more scales, absence of operational features, abridged control, and the problems of traffic routing systems. At the end, I shall highlight some features of PaaS. Consider what wholly PaaS solutions have in common. These are certain diverse methods that are suitable for different needs. We can divide the methods into three kinds. Number one, combined life cycle platform. More than a few emerging important platforms deliver the developer with a full environment for creating an application deprived of buying any individual tools. Let's say the platform provider will deliver the developer with the full stack with an operating system. Similarly, with a programming language, security, storage, version control, cooperative tools, in addition to tools to build web interaction. These combined PaaS companies frequently include the following. These platforms offer services as a well integrated and well tuned stack with its specific middleware and frequently its own programming interfaces. Two noticeable instances of combined lifecycle platforms are Google App Engine and Microsoft Azure. Number two, fixed lifecycle platforms. Even though fixed platforms have most of the same characteristics as the combined lifecycle platform, there is one main difference in that these locations have packaged business software at the core. The most noticeable example of fixed platform is Salesforce.com and its Force.com platform. Similarly, Intuit is leveraging its QuickBooks financial software environment to make a fixed platform. Number three, allowing technologies as a platform. All platforms in the cloud have not included a full lifecycle environment. Few platforms are intensive in providing specialized capabilities. Several of these capabilities can be specific tools. Let's say, even though Amazon.com offers a complete LaaS platform, this too offers platform tools, for example, SimpleDB and Simple Query Services (SQS), further allowing technology environments to provide a combined management platform designed for the cloud.